Good evening, I'm meteorologist Karen Williams, and the cooling trend continues for another day or two, and those winds, we'll have to contend with them tonight and early tomorrow before they will slowly dissipate, and then we will start to moderate in our temperatures. Looking at your out the door forecast, it's shaping up like this. We'll have morning fog to start off your Monday, 54 degrees, and then 1 p.m. we'll have mostly sunny skies, 66 degrees, and then 7 p.m. we'll continue to have mostly sunny skies, 62 degrees. Now, looking earlier at our radar, it's not a whole lot of activity. 1 or 2 showers are up to our north in parts of Oregon. The main activity is off to the extreme, and it's behind the banner there, but mainly to our extreme north and east. But things are pretty quiet for our immediate viewing area. As we advance a little further here, we're looking at our earlier view of a radar, and you can see we have a high wind warning. That'll be into effect early Monday morning, and we also have a few showers. Again, that will stay mainly to our north in Oregon and Idaho as well. So the most part is we have to contend with the winds for tonight and early tomorrow before that wind warning will come off. Now, as we advance a little bit further here, we're looking at our future tracker. I'm going to put that into motion, and again, you can see we just have that disturbance that is just down to our south here, but for the most part, it's just giving us mainly clouds. It's not bringing us too much of the way of showers. You do notice those blue lines, those are wind, that's indicating wind, and when they're tightly compacted like that, you can expect those higher gusts. Now, as we look at our high temperatures for tomorrow, we'll be in the upper 60s if you're along the coast, 1 or 2 50s, such as Trinidad at 54, 66 for Arcata, Eureka, and then as you move inland, those temperatures will be in the upper 70s to low 80s, with Eureka at 79 and 76 for Mount Shasta. As we look a little bit toward our south, it's going to mainly be in the 80s to low 90s, with 85 for Redway, 83 for Laytonville, and 89 for Weaverville. Now, looking at the marine forecast, we have a gale warning through this evening, and then that'll gradually come off. And then we'll be looking at north winds 15 to 25 knots with gusts up to 35 knots, waves northwest 10 feet every 9 seconds, and it will be patchy fog. And then for tomorrow, we're looking at north winds 10 to 20 knots, waves northwest 9 feet every 10 seconds. Your sunrise at 5:48 a.m. Looking at your forecast for tonight, we're looking at late patchy fog, then partly cloudy conditions, breezy, 50 degrees. And then for tomorrow, we're looking at early morning fog, then mostly sunny conditions, 66 degrees. And then for your 7-day coastal, we'll start out with some fog, and then temperatures will be pretty much in the mid 60s all week and will remain dry. And then as we look at the inland forecast, plenty of sunshine, but those temperatures will be in the mid 80s. When we start out, we'll be in the mid 50s to start. So again, it's going to be a warm one.